Why won't you come to me? Wait, oh, she never have seen me. Oh yeah, we can both go to this. Oh yeah, I forgot. Why can't she leave my face alive? Actually, she is. How can we get to
I'm spying on him. He must be in love with this girl named Sadie. The treachery. Let's watch some more.
Oh hey, cute man. Guy spied on me. Yeah, you okay?
I'm a robot. I'm a robot. Take me to your leader. I'm a robot. I am not spying on you. I am a robot. I am looking for the beer bar.
What's the robot talk? Okay.
I believe you. I am a robot. I am a robot. I am a robot. I am a robot. I need some drink.
Okay, I think he's just running out of batteries. Meh, that robot doesn't need batteries. He's mankind.
I am not mankind. I am a robot.
I thought this was the batteries. Meh, okay. I got to that dog I need. Wait, dog? Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm still spying on him. He must be in love with this really.
Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to, robot?
I am a robot.
Oh, I guess my mom must have brought me this dummy of this guy with a camera that's on. That looks like that's spying on me, sorta. Yeah, that ball is the. I don't need dummies. 10:27 a.m. Cars in the floor. I guess for my old great grandma really sees into these car things. See what is this car? I tell her you're gonna destroy them and tell her you're not gonna have them.
I'm still spying on him. I'm still watching him very.
Yeah,
I'm still spying on him.
Man cave.
You know, I am a robot. Please go in. I am a robot. Coleman, please give me your money. Thank you.
Hey, robot.
This must be where his girlfriend is.
He stole my girl. My Sadie.
Huh? This is Sadie? This is Sadie?
Yes, she is.
And I come to find my very own dog. I would like her back.
Yeah, well, you can't have her. I already adopted her, so.
You may have her. But you may have her, but you have to pay me.
Here.
Give me all your money.
You too, Sadie. It's my luck.
And your parents' money if you have any.
No, they don't have any.
Okay. He's dead.
I love you so much.
Hey, I'll help you. Okay, I'll help you. Ow, hey, what?
You know what happens when his future wife and he's I have to go with that rascal? No, she